Hello guys, so this is how you make a Google site. So first you have to create a Google account, then search in your search tab um, Google Sites. Then you will see here the website. Click it, uh, and then you can choose from blank, portfolio, event, help center, and projects. I have a recent here. So we will create a new one. So when we create a new one, we will have to pick either of these five. So I will use the blank one. And then this will give you a preview for your website in Google. So in your page title, you can select whatever name you want, Verlot or something. And then you can enter a site name here. You can use Verlot Bro. Add logo, but since I don't have a logo, I will not add that. You can also change the image here. You can upload or select an image which I haven't used, and it will direct you to gallery. And then you can add pages here. If you add a page, you can add you can make a duplicate page, uh, properties, subpage. So if you add a subpage, it will lead to another page other than the home page. You can select a theme. So this is one is simple. You can change the font style, light, classic, heavy, Aristotle. You can also change the color, some sort of underlining, the matte, vision, level, impression. So when you insert, you can put the text box here, introduction to my page. You can also embed a URL, any page that you want to link in your page. You can also put your drive images. You can also make a layout on this. So it's like making a PowerPoint presentation, except you're doing a website. So after all that, you can publish. Then you can see here, this is the site name, your site name, and publish, something like that. So thank you and good luck in making your own Google site.